choosing the perfect shower walls for your bathroom can feel overwhelming, but we're here to make it easy. In this video, we'll compare 3 popular options: acrylic, Onyx, and Tyvarian, and help you decide which one fits your style, budget, and needs. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and we've been transforming bathrooms for years, and one of the most common questions we get is, which shower wall material should I choose? So in this quick guide, I'll break down the differences between acrylic, Onyx, and Tyvarian shower walls. Whether you're looking for affordability, durability, or luxury, there's a perfect option for you. Let's start with acrylic. Acrylic shower walls are the most budget-friendly option. Made from a durable plastic-based material, they're completely waterproof and easy to clean. So why should you choose acrylic? First, it's budget-friendly. With an average cost of $8,000 to $13,000, it's the most affordable option. Next, it has a quick installation time. Your new shower can be ready in just 1 to 2 days. And last, it has a lot of design variety. Acrylic comes in a range of colors and styles, so you don't have to sacrifice design for cost. Acrylic is a great choice if you want an affordable, low-maintenance shower solution that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Next up is Onyx. Onyx is a stone-based material that offers more durability than acrylic and resists scratches and dents. It's also waterproof and mold resistant, so you don't have to worry about constant upkeep. Why should you choose Onyx? First off, it's durable and stylish, stronger than acrylic with more colors and patterns to choose from. We also like to call it affordable luxury. It usually falls within the $10,000 to $15,000 price range, which makes it a mid-range option with excellent value. And last, it has a quick installation time. Like acrylic, it only takes 1 to 2 days to install Onyx. Onyx is ideal if you want a durable shower that looks great and fits in your budget. Finally, we have Tyvarian, a cultured marble with high-definition imaging printed on the front of it, which gives it the look of natural stone without the steep price. It's moisture, mildew, and UV resistant, making it both stunning and practical. So, why choose Tyvarian? First off, it has a luxurious look, perfect for making your shower the centerpiece of your bathroom. Second, it has endless design options. You can choose from an almost unlimited range of patterns and colors. And last, it is very low maintenance. It's durable, resistant to scrubbing, and easy to keep clean. Tyvarian has premium pricing. With a cost of $14,000 to $20,000, it's the top-tier option for homeowners seeking luxury. Tyvarian is for you if you want your shower to exude elegance and stand out as a statement piece in your bathroom. So, which shower wall material is calling your name? Whether it's acrylic for budget-friendly simplicity, Onyx for a balance of durability and style, or Tyvarian for high-end luxury, there's a perfect match for your needs. If you're ready to take the next step, contact us at JSB Home Solutions. We'd love to help you design the bathroom of your dreams and guide you toward the shower walls that fit your vision. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you narrow down your options, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bathroom remodeling tips. Got questions about shower walls or other topics? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. See you next time.